Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpath trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste Divine Soul. Welcome to the Punch Portal program for the month of June 2025. I'm Alpa, your Mokshpatha reader and guide, here with you for the week of 2nd June 2025 to 8th June 2025. This week the body is signaling red, urging you to exercise caution, especially when it comes to your health. This period may present physical, emotional and mental challenges. One wrong move could invite unnecessary stress or health concerns. Please remember, prevention is better than cure. Be mindful of your diet and ensure regular exercise. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of liquids and nourishing fluids like coconut water, buttermilk, lemon water and herbal teas. Avoid venturing out in intense summer to prevent issues like heat stroke. Keep your mind balanced with calming practices such as meditation or deep breathing. Refrain from unnecessary arguments or emotional decisions as they may disturb your mental peace. This is a time to slow down, tune into your body and give yourself the rest and nurturing you deserve. The universe is guiding you to create balance and protect your energy with love and light. Have a healthy week ahead. Thank you.
Namaste to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpatha board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpatha reader and trainer, bringing for you the guidance for the week of 2nd June to 8th June 2025 in regard to relationship. The general reading comes on a positive box of sanctity, guiding us towards upholding moral and ethical conduct in our daily lives, so that all decisions are made ethically and we practice the virtues of compassion, justice, and kindness, leaving no place for ego-driven desires. In this week, we need to honor commitments and respect boundaries in interpersonal connections. We need to be loving and kind to people around us, at home as well as at the workplace, and our actions should be based on kindness and compassion. If we do not use this energy, we will get stuck and there will be a feeling of living in a self-created hell due to unresolved issues. This is the time to rectify past mistakes and karma so that we are in a space of purification and detachment. We should not be in a victim mode and blame external factors instead of looking at our own behavior. The board guides us to practice active listening so that we can validate other people's perspective, and any conflict can be resolved through mindful communication. And healing can be done through the power of words, understanding, and forgiveness. To sum it up, we should cultivate authenticity in our relationships, build trust in personal and professional relationships, and communicate boundaries assertively and ethically. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshpath. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Mokshpath will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Hello, Atma Namaste, Divine Souls. Welcome to our Punch Portal series for the month of June. We are already in the mid of this year My name is Karishma and I'm going to talk about spirituality this week, which is from 2nd June to 8th of June. The word spirituality comes with a lot of rights and wrongs. We are confused about which is the right path. The Mokshapata board tells us that we do not have to follow the path of spirituality blindly. We confuse our religion with spirituality. Spirituality is actually connecting with yourself for your transformation. It is to connect to the divine's energy in the best way you can as an individual, because each individual has a different way and a level to connect and reach the divine. You need to identify your path to be spiritual. It is your choice. You should not feel the burden of going on the path and be spiritual. It should actually feel lighter and should uplift you. It should give you immense joy and being one with the divine. Ask yourself, what do you want? What is spirituality for you? What do you need to explore to reach in alignment with yourself? So, bring in the necessary changes in your spiritual practice. Explore your choices that are opening in front of you. Be yourself. Combine practices and be authentic selves. Because when you do and combine things which resonate with you, you will be comfortable and will also have the confidence to identify your spiritual path, which is unique as you are. This way, you don't have to follow and enact the rituals, but rather you have to follow and flow with the energy. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am an energy therapist and a divination expert. Today I am going to give you the guidance for your business and profession from June 2nd, 2025 to June 8th, 2025. This week, the Mokshapata board says that go back and analyze what is influencing your business and profession. आपके व्यवसाय और आपके रोजगार को किस बातों से प्रभाव पड़ रहा है. ये समय है उन सभी पुराने तरीकों और व्यवस्थाओं पर एक बार पुनः विचार करने का जो आपके बिजनेस, आपके प्रोफेशन को नुकसान पहुंचा रहे थे, उनको सुधारने का. हो सकता है कुछ तथ्यों को आपने जाने अनजाने में अनदेखा कर दिया हो या फिर कुछ कर्तव्यों का निर्वाह पूरी तरह से ना हुआ हो. और ये तो प्रकृति का नियम है कि जो भी बीज हम बोते हैं उसी का वृक्ष बन के तैयार होता है. तो चिंता को छोड़ें और एनालाइज करें कि कहाँ और क्या सुधार करके आप अपने बिजनेस, अपने प्रोफेशन में प्रोग्रेस कर सकते हैं. आपका व्यवसाय, आपका रोजगार उन्नति के नए आयाम तक पहुँचे, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye.
Namaste everyone, I am Lakshita. This week's Mokshapatam financial guidance is for all of us from June 2nd to June 8th, and it's all about getting grounded and intentional with our finances. Board is gently reminding us to focus on what truly matters financially. Don't get scattered. Plan practically. A simple realistic budget can go a long way. Use what you have wisely, your resources, skills, and time. Take smart risks. If something feels right, weigh it calmly. And most importantly, spend mindfully. Ask yourself, is it a need or a want? Overall guidance for this week. Be thoughtful with your choices and don't rush. When you act with clarity, you actually open the doors to more flow and abundance. Trust yourself. Your intuition knows. Balance is key between saving and enjoying life. Stick to your path and you will be amazed at the financial shifts that unfold. Take care and wishing you a week full of clarity and prosperity. Namaste.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.